Good morning, children. So let's continue with the exercise part of the chapter. How long, how high and how far. Coming to page number 76 of your workbook, the first question in your exercise part is count. Count how many squares you see in these pictures. The first picture is, as you see, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will find 9 squares. But these are not 9. So let us find out how many total squares are there in this picture. See, children, first of all, this is the bigger square. This is number 1. Then we have this square, number 2. Then we have this square, number 3, this one, number 4, then we have this part, number 5. 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So total there are 14 squares in this pictures. Okay. Now coming to the next picture, we have this picture. So let's find out how many total squares are there in this picture. Now we can see one square, the main square here, and coming to the next part, second, third, fourth and fifth. These are twisted. These are here shown in the twisted form. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 squares in this picture. Okay. Now coming to next question, children. We have short questions on page number 77. Here in this first question, Anu and Appu had a fight about who was taller one. You help them to decide. Now you can see 2 boys standing. One is Appu and another is Anu. Now if you see both of them, you will find, as you see, that Anu is shorter and Appu is taller. So come, let's find it out. We'll use a ruler to find who is taller. See, we have taken a small ruler and let us see the height of Appu is less than 4 centimeter, as you see in the ruler. Okay. Now let's check on Anu. Now if we see with the ruler, the height of Anu is also less than 4 centimeter. More or less as same as Appu. Now what did you say? What do you say? Who is taller? Appu or Anu? So if we are measuring with the scale, as you have measured yourself on the wall, your height you have measured, the same way if we are measuring both of them, their height, both have same height. But what happens? These lines at the back will give you that illusion, will show you as if Appu is taller. But if we have measured with the small scale, both are of same height. You can write same. Both have same height. Right, children? So next, coming to the next question, write the names of 3 things that are taller than you and 3 things that are shorter than you. Arrange the names of these things from tallest to shortest. Now here, children, first of all you have to write things taller than me, starting from the tallest thing, which is the tallest. Then coming down, you will write less taller than you. less taller than this, the first one. Okay, then coming to the next part, less taller than this, then the third, less taller than this, then in between me. This object should be taller than me, then taller than this, tallest than this. Okay, then coming in between, things shorter than me. Now after me, this is my height, then coming below should be shorter than me, then the shorter, then last one is shortest of all. So here, if we are starting from the back, this will be the shortest and the first one will be the tallest. Got my point, children? So starting from the bottom, if we start, this is the smallest thing, the shortest thing, and as we go up, it goes on increasing. In between it, the height, you have to match your height and this object's height. Okay, so after me it will go more than me, then more than this object, then the tallest one. So this question will come like this. Okay, children. Now coming to the next part, the third question. Appu and Minnie started from home one day. Minnie had to take a letter to Dad's friend house. Appu had to go to the market. Who walked more? Now here we have Appu and Minnie. Both are starting in their different way. Okay. So Minnie has to take the letter to the dad's friend. Where is the dad's friend? This is the market and this is the uncle's house. So both are going in the different way. Minnie will take the letter to the dad's friend's house. This side, Minnie will go this way and Appu will travel all this way to reach the market. So now the question is, who walked more? Now how you will calculate, how you will find out? You will count the number of boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you go this way, how many boxes Appu has covered to go to the market, and then calculating, counting the boxes this side. How many Minnie has walked? Okay, then you have to see who walked more, whether Minnie or Appu. How many more boxes? How many boxes more Appu had walked or Minnie had walked? You have to mention here in your workbook that Appu walked these many boxes, Minnie walked these boxes. So who walked more? So this you have to write it out on your own.